Okay, so for your video, I'm gonna have you actually turn some stuff in, but I'm gonna do it with you. So we're gonna have this system of equations. I want you to write the matrix equation. So we're gonna go coefficients, variables, equals solutions. Then I want you to have this written down for number 1. Number 2, I want you to find the inverse of this guy. So to find the inverse, we're going to do 1 over 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 3 times 3 is 9. 1 over negative 15. These two switch spots. These two switch signs. So that's the second part I want you to have. We're going to do another one. Going to write the matrix equation, coefficients, variables, equals, solutions, find the inverse. So we're going to do 1 over 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 times 4 is 8. 1 over 1, which is just 1. These two switch spots. These two switch signs. When you have something like this, you can just say, well, 1 times this is just this. So this was number 3, number 4. Matrix equation, we're going to put the coefficients, variables, equals, solution. We're going to find the inverse of this, so we're going to do 1 over 6 times negative 4 minus 2 times 2. These two switch spots. These two switch signs. Okay, now we're going to write the matrix equation for this. The problem is that it's not in the right format. I want to get it in standard form. So standard form means my x and y's are on the same side. So for this one, I'm going to subtract 1/2 x from each side. I want the x to be first, so I'm going to go negative 1/2 x plus y equals 6. And that's okay. But I'm not supposed to have a fraction. So I'm going to multiply this by 2. And I have to remember to multiply everything. This one I'm going to subtract the 4x. X is supposed to go first. So now they're in the right format. Coefficients, negative 1, 2, negative 4, 1. Variables, equals, solutions. And that's how I would do that. 7. Now we're going to find the inverse. So 1 over, these get multiplied, minus, these get multiplied. Negative 1 plus 8 is going to be 7. These two switch spots. These two switch signs. Now I want you to turn this in to me.